Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to set Telegram as your map preview provider so links open exactly the way you want inside the app. If you've ever tapped on a location link and noticed it opening in a different map service, this setting lets you take control and keep everything within Telegram's own preview system. It's simple, and it only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where all your customization options live, so you're in the right place. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. It might sound unrelated at first, but this section includes several advanced options that control how Telegram interacts with other services. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Map Preview Provider. Take your time here, as it's usually located further down the list. Once you see it, tap on Map Preview Provider. You'll be presented with available options for handling map previews. Here's the key step: choose Telegram. By selecting this, you're telling the app to use its own built-in system to display map previews instead of relying on external services. And that's it. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you tap on a location link, Telegram will handle the preview directly within the app. This small tweak can make your experience smoother, faster, and more consistent, especially if you prefer staying inside Telegram without switching between apps. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.